My name is Chad Kinney with Pure Storage. You know, storage today is way too complex. Pure Storage has taken a completely different approach by providing a simple and intuitive way to manage, provision, and analyze your storage array. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to learn all you need to know to manage and provision storage simply and easily. Let's go ahead and dive right into our dashboard. Our dashboard gives you a macro view of your entire storage environment. You can see on the left-hand side here we have the array status, which shows the health of the array, and currently everything is green, which is good. Down below you can see any alerts that have been generated by the array, and currently we do not have any. Up top you can see a capacity report. Our capacity report details a bunch of different things, one of which is our total provision quantity, so the amount hosts can see from the array. We can also see how much unique data has been written to our flash devices. We also can see our data reduction total, which is 5.5 to 1. This is a typical customer average that we see in the field. In addition, you can see the total percentage that we've utilized of our flash devices, in this case 48%. Down below we have deep dive details of the overall array performance metrics. This includes latency, IOPS, and bandwidth. The array is currently driving about 200,000 I/O at 0.25 millisecond response time, doing about 1.5 gigabytes per second. Really earth-shaking performance for a 10U configuration you can see here. If you want to get deeper dive metrics, you can mouse over at any point in time and actually see the average I/O size, as well as the read-write ratio mixture. This is just great to have quick and easy access to this type of information. You also can zoom in to any point in time, as well as see an entire 30 days out if you'd like in this view, and we'll be able to see an entire year in our analysis tab. Now let's jump over to the storage tab, where you'll be spending most of your time to provision storage. The first thing we'll do here is actually add a host to the array. This is simple and easy. You have either a host or a host group. A host is a single host that can see multiple volumes. A host group will be multiple hosts that can see multiple volumes. In this case, we'll create a single host and we'll call it host test 1. This is just a host alias. Now that we've created that, we can add worldwide names or IQNs if this is iSCSI. In this case, it's Fiber Channel, and we auto-discover the worldwide names for all the attached HBAs to this device. We'll go ahead and add this to the host alias. The next step is to actually add storage capacity to this host. In this case, we have the option of either selecting existing storage devices or actually creating a new one, which we'll do here. We'll call our demo vol 2, and we'll go ahead and create this as a 10 gigabyte volume. Now that we've created the new volume, we'll go ahead and click confirm, and it will do all of our mapping and masking for you to the device. As you can see, provisioning storage on the flash array is incredibly simple. No longer do you have to think about the quantity of spindles or the read-write ratios or even the RAID types. We virtualize everything, so you no longer have to think about any of that. But don't confuse simplicity with lack of functionality. We're able to change the size of volumes on the fly without having to worry about concatenation or restriping during downtime or even migrating the volume. As you can see here, we're able to change the size of volume on the fly. In this case, we'll change our 10 gigabyte volume to a 10 terabyte volume, and we'll quickly and easily be able to increase the size of that volume. Now you can see our volume is now 10 terabytes. Now let's jump over to the Analysis tab. The Analysis tab gives us the ability to look at both performance and capacity metrics from 1 hour view all the way out to an entire year. What's great about this is it gives you the ability to see performance and capacity trending information, so you can make better decisions on when additional capacity is required or potentially understand application performance requirements better. Let's go ahead and look at capacity first. As you can see here, we've broken down capacity as array capacity and host capacity. You can see we have not added any new capacity to this array, nor have we added additional unique data. But we did provision additional capacity to hosts. So you can see the increases when we went from a 10 gigabyte to a 10 terabyte volume. You can look at this for an entire year, all the way down to an hour. We also can look at performance information, and we can select any volume to see the specifics around that. We can then also highlight any point in time to see what's going on during that period. So if an application owner was asking you if my performance has increased over the last year, you would be able to quickly and easily be able to report that to him. Just again, quick and easy access to information. The last tab we'll go over here is the System tab. The System tab gives you deeper details around the overall system health and configuration. As you can see here, the entire array, you can look at each of these devices to ensure everything is healthy, which it is here currently. You also can see all of the different ports and whether they are in a healthy or degraded state. You also can look at the Connections tab, and this is a great addition that they added to the GUI, which was to be able to actually see how all of the devices are logged in. It again gives you the reports on whether things are currently redundantly connected or whether you have some multipathing issues you'd want to look at. With Pure Storage, simplicity is built in. No longer do you need to relearn your storage device every single time you log into it. We're excited to work with you. If you're interested in hearing more about Pure Storage, please click Contact Sales and a member of our team will get in contact with you. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.